Types of noun. The first is common noun. What is common noun? Common noun is non-specific people, places, things, or ideas. For example, in people, we can say a man, places, a park, things. We can say a table, ideas, a religion. The next is proper noun. Now, what is proper noun? Proper noun is specific people, places, and things. People, John. Places, a specific place, London. Things, Holy Quran. The next is concrete noun. What is concrete noun? Concrete noun is something which you can perceive with your five senses, which you can test or perceive with your five senses. For example, apples, table, and knife. The next is abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Something which cannot be perceived with your five senses. We can see its example freedom, love, and courage. The next is countable noun. Things which can be counted are countable nouns. For example, apple, table, and flower. The next is uncountable noun. Which things cannot be counted are uncountable noun. For example, sugar, salt, and sand. The next is compound noun. Compound noun is made up of two or more smaller parts. For example, sunflower, textbook, and toothbrush. Collective noun. Nouns for groups or collections of people, animals, or things. We can see its examples: group, family, etc. Singular noun. Singular noun refers to one person, place, or thing: dog, horse, and ship. The next is plural noun. What is plural noun? It refers to more than one person, place, or thing. Its examples are dogs, horses, and ships.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe our channel.